Here you are, baby. Thanks for keeping it warm for me, doughboy. Donna, come on over here and show my buddies your nice fat ass.
Yeah, that's a nice fat ass.
So, you working here at the old school?
Yes, I work for the principal. How long you in town for?
Couple of days. On our way to California.
Well, if you need a place to stay, we have a spare room at our house.
But what would Robert think?
Cleveland. There's no Robert anymore. We're divorced.
I guess there is still some hot fur around here.
I guess there is. I guess there is.
The prince